Hello friends, very happy to talk to you all through my channel Traders Kabodil. Today I am going to talk to you about how to enroll free online courses from a genuine website. This video is already been posted in Tamil. I would like to share the same information in English so that it will reach so many people. Open Google and type coursera.org sign up and then click Coursera website. Now you get the home page of Coursera website. Here you have to click join free. You can log in using your Facebook account or through your Apple phone, or else you have to give the full name, email ID and your own password to join free. Since I have already created my account, I am just typing my email ID and password to login. Now in the search option, you can type free courses and then you find lot of courses are available free. I just clicked one of the course called Science of Wellbeing. There you can find who is the instructor, which university is offering this course and how many students are enrolled, what is the rating of the course, syllabus of the course, how many weeks it will take to complete that course. All those informations are available. For free courses, the content of the course is free. You can enroll directly and learn without paying money. But if you need the certificate, then you have to pay 2000 to 4000 according to the certificate cost. I clicked on enroll for free to proceed further. Then it will ask you for purchase course or full course no certificate. If you want to purchase the certificate, then you have to click purchase course, so that you have to pay 2189 rupees, or else you can select full course no certificate. You are able to freely access all the content even with full course with no certificate. I am just selecting full course with no certificate to start learning. It is not necessary to purchase the certificate immediately. You can even enroll and finish the course successfully. After that also you are able to purchase the certificate. Once you enrolled, you can start learning by clicking the start button. Here I will show you the certificate copy for your reference. Once you complete the course successfully, you will get this certificate. You can share this certificate and you can download your certificate according to your wish. It is possible to do online courses from a world's best universities. Hope this information is useful. We'll be back with another useful information. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.